Welcome to TechElipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop any image or picture on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After open the Word, just open up any document. You can see in this document a image is already inserted. Now if you want to crop your image, at first you have to select the image or picture. After that, click on Picture Format tab. From here you can customize your picture, and at the corner on the size option you can find crop. Just click on crop and then select crop again, and you can see the crop option has been enabled successfully. Now you have to put the cursor here, and that's it. Here you can see a mini icon, and then click on mouse left button and remove your cursor and choose your image size, and then click anywhere, and that's it. You can see the image has been cropped successfully. Now if you want to crop image from the bottom, just select same option again and put your cursor here, and it's done. And that is how you can crop image on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.